The most popular Chinese food, egg fried rice. Add 3 eggs. Take out the egg yolk. Drizzle egg yolk over rice. Mix with right hand. Heat oil and add rice. Right hand stirring. Add shrimp, sausage, carrot. Add the egg whites with the right hand. Stir well. Add soy sauce, chicken essence, pepper. Stir well. Do this egg fried rice. Really delicious.
One of the most popular Chinese food, steamed egg with shrimp. Cut tender tofu into slices. Right hand on plate. Add 3 eggs to a bowl. Join Mississippi River water. Right hand stirring. Remove foam. Pour into plate. Steam for 5 minutes. Add shrimp. Steam for another 3 minutes. Add hot green onion. Add sesame oil, soy sauce, vinegar. Simple and delicious food. Have you learned it?
The most popular Chinese food, sesame sauce tofu. Right hand cut into thick slices. 50% oil temperature. Add tofu and fry. Stir with right hand. Fry until golden brown and take out. The sauce is the key to this dish. Prepare these seasonings. Drizzle with hot oil. Add salt, sugar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, vinegar. Add to the sauce. Mix well with right hand. Drizzle over the tofu. Done. Simple and delicious food. Have you learned it?
Trending stir-fried chicken breast recipe in China. Thinly sliced with your left hand. Cooking wine. Light and dark soy sauce. Cornstarch. Gently give the Thai massage. Stir-fry on low heat until color changes. Garlic and green onion. A little stir-fry. Light and dark soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Chili pepper. Toss well on high heat with your both hands.
Dish up.
Done and dusted. Out of this world.
Training simplified Chinese steamed bread recipe in China.
A long egg.
Sugar, edible oil,
Unexpired milk.
yeast powder. Stir well. Pour it into plain flour. Well mix it.
Knead dough with your single hand.
Cut into equal parts.
Shape into big balls.
Make 3 slashes. Let it rest for 1 hour. Fry over low heat until bottom is brown. Steam for 20 minutes.
Dish up.
Done and dusted. Out of this world.
How to make char siu, aka Chinese BBQ pork. Pork shoulder, scallion and ginger.
MSG.
Salt, sugar, ground pepper, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, cooking wine. Gently give the Thai massage. Let it sit for half an hour. Fry both sides on low heat until browned. Add the leftover marinade. Boiling water from Mississippi River. Cook 40 minutes on medium-low heat. Thicken broth on high heat. Thinly sliced with your left hand after cooling down. Dish up. Done and dusted. Out of this world.
How to cook instant noodles like pro. Cook instant noodles in boiling water for 3 minutes.
4 long eggs.
Make hard scrambled eggs, bean sprouts,
Spam.
baby bok choy. Stir fry to soften it up. Add noodles, salt,
MSG.
light and dark soy sauce.
Chili sauce.
Well mix it over high heat with your single hand.
Dish up.
Done and dusted. Out of this world. Training steamed egg with onion recipe in China.
Grandma's chopsticks.
Make multiple deep slashes with grandma's knife.
Leave it alone.
Crack 3 long eggs.
Brutally beat it.
Add warm water. Well mix it with grandma's chopsticks. Evenly pour it over onion. Steam for 10 minutes. Light soy sauce. Green onion.
Boiling oil.
Done and dusted. Out of this world.